Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Western Digital 6 terabyte hard drive. So let's break the seal and see what comes in. Alright, what comes in the box? We should have a power supply, yeah. Right here, there's going to be more stuff. Okay, let's take the hard drive out. I've got some plastic on it. Looks like we've got connection on the back, power supply. It does come with the cable, awesome. I like that it comes with the cable, USB 3. So we're going to plug this in, and it will only go one way. There's a small end and a big end. So plug the small end and the big end in there. You'll plug this into your computer. Let's get these. There's the power supply. So it's going to plug in, whoops, right there. There is a power switch on this too, right there. Let's take a look at the power supply. Power supply input 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output 12 volts, 1.5 amp for 18 watts. Okay, let's do dimensions. Front to back with the connector is about 7 inches, but just the whole thing's about 5 inches. 6.5 thickness wise, you're looking at about almost 2 inches, but you can lay it on its side if you'd like. The power supply about 3 inches that way, 1.5 inches that way. Interesting, the plug is, you have to plug it in sideways, yeah. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.